unpacking the Encyclopedic gear set today. This is the third small gear set from Wild Gears, and we have a guest tail from Echo. Just perched right out of sight here, except her swishy tail. We'll see if we can work around that. So we're just gonna peel this masking material off, and it's lightly sticky here. It doesn't leave any sticky residue there. I'm just gonna hold it flat and peel it gently and try and not get any cattails stuck to it. Okay, one, good. Next one, here we go. Comes up nicely, hold it down, peel smoothly across, don't get the cattail too much. Okay, and there she goes. Okay, flip it over. Now we've got lots of little gears, so we're gonna peel this side off nice and slowly and carefully and keep all the gears in their little cutouts as we go. They're smaller, so they probably won't pop up as we go, but you know, we want to be careful. We want to be gentle with this. And it's just kind of fun to slowly, smoothly peel this off. It's very relaxing. All right, last piece. And now we'll have so many little gears with so many little holes to make so much art with. All right, and that is it. Piece 4, we're done. And here we go, the beautiful Encyclopedic gear set.